All right, so we've got, man, those are hard to get out. Scissors, throwing knife. Oh, sorry, that's the Walmart cheap knife. Throwing knife and screwdriver. The scissors have been the hardest one. Zoom back so you don't get hurt. Okay, here we go. Scissors. Scissors are in. Throwing knife. Throwing knife's in. Walmart knife. Nope. Screwdriver. Okay, let's try those two again. All right, screwdriver. Walmart knife. Walmart knife's in. Screwdriver again. Let's see here. Man, this is going to be the hard one. Okay. Yes, stop video.